big blue jay down there. That means that the big woodpecker is probably watching somewhere, because those darn blue jays do not show up unless that woodpecker is gone. And then the woodpecker will show up and scare them all. Pretty blue jays. The blue jays have knocked over the feeder, the other little suit that I have there, because it was in a little basket and they knocked it over so they could eat on the ground, while that woodpecker that was out there earlier would eat on the top. I'm hoping he'll come back so you all can see him. It is so cold out there. My husband told me since I was freezing when I woke up, I should go stand outside for 10 minutes and then come back in and I might warm up. He's probably right, but I ain't going out there. It's too darn cold. It's like under 5 degrees, I think, out there. If not, it's close. It's going to be negative this week. Negatives. Brr, guys. I so wish I was like in California, or well, even better, how about Hawaii? How about Hawaii, Trevor? Yep. Hawaii, swimming on the beach. Alright guys, let's check him out. I'm going to be quiet and move away from the window. See woodpeckers out there, and they're not that woodpecker. I want to see the flicker woodpecker. Coming back, guy. Big old orange hat looking thing on. The apron under his neck. Where are you, little